Okay, शिपिनला आज क्या हुआ स्कूल में?
Investment ceremony.
क्या हुआ?
I don't know.
शिपू को ये मिला है. He's the PD captain.
PD captain ना football का अच्छी captain.
Thank you. Hello guys, once again welcome back. Same place. अच्छा, so we are here again in स्वागतम. So यहाँ पे हमने last time breakfast खाया था अगर आप लोगों को याद हो. तो मैंने सोचा इनका जो मील होता है ना लाइक प्रॉपर मील लंच वो भी ट्राई करके देखते हैं. तो दीदी लोग बिल्कुल यहाँ पे बिजी है अभी दोनों. आज तो बहुत लोग हैं. लास्ट टाइम फिर हम दोनों ही थे. सुबह सुबह का टाइम था ना.
फिर हम दोनों ही हैं.
आज तो है तो इधर Sheila and Chepala are right here.
उन लोगों का सैटरडे
We are going to Siliguri again. कुछ काम है इसलिए लाइट भी ऑन हो गया. अच्छा बढ़िया हो गया. So let's try. आज हम चिकन भात खाने वाले हैं. I'm very hungry. हमारे जो ड्राइवर थे ना उन्होंने रोका था कहीं और. प्लीज यार let me just talk.
It will be that no.
तो उन्होंने oh please your song will not be copyrighted by Bray. कुछ ही तो क्या बोलते हैं उन्होंने तो कहीं और खाया. हमने बोला नहीं हम यहीं पे खाएंगे. तो ही सिटिंग इन द कार. सो अब हम लोग यहाँ खाना खा रहे हैं. Okay guys, look at this. Black dal, salad, pickle. ये पापड़ is all finished. इन तीनों ने ना पापड़ का तो आधे खत्म कर दिया. Actually we are very hungry. सुबह breakfast करके कुछ भी नहीं खाया है. And it's what's the time right now? 2 बज रहा है.
2? You said we'll reach in 2.5 hours. No.
I said we'll reach. I never said we'll reach at 2:30. I said it takes 2.5 hours to reach.
Then that time it was 12 o'clock. Now it's 2 o'clock. 30 minutes.
No, but then he stopped and then we stopped.
So
8 miles. The caution later.
after question.
कॉशन गिजेला जो रोहिणी लेकर आंदो रोहिणी मित्र तो पंखा बड़ी
Then how much time?
पंखा बड़ी नहीं.
Let's see. Keep cutting time.
वो तो वो दिया हम लोग तनवीर होता का लोकेशन डोला दी.
It's garam. Oh wow.
अभी जो बोली तो नाम जो का किधर है
Order jela jana jela नहीं रहा.
कुछ दाल बाटे है चिकन देना. चिकन आ रहा है.
Wow. Timbur kota. Thank you.
Very good, sir.
Timbur ko achar.
Read every seven.
टिम्बू की चिकन दे.
Wait, chicken है. Wait, let me test that. Ready?
Kasan jus.
मैगी.
Maggi तो मच्छी की रंग नहीं है ला सर.
And chicken मंगा डबल चिकन.
You want to try no? Read it.
कोई ना चिकन की ट्राई चाहिए.
Let's try the jewelry, the rice.
It's like you take what this food I have this. Yeah, I have here then.
Give me rice also.
Shambhala. I know, okay, but I didn't.
चिकन की दंगी दे.
You should don't like anything. Foodie like us.
Chicken curry looks very nice. 근데 너 chicken 전부 다.
Mama does not. This one tastes like the last stove.
Alubani. Yummy.
I thought she likes me. You're not even eating.
You're having momo, na?
I don't have no. चाहिँ एउटा डबल बनाउनु
धन्यवाद मिठो भयो खाना ल फेरि आउँछु
च्यानलको नाम चाहिँ भनिदिनुहोस् न
मेतोक खम्ला हजुर अस्तिको पनि हालेको थियो मैले हो ब्रेकफास्टको
हामीले कति गरे
ए
याङलाको नि के भनेको है
मेतोक खम्ला हजुर हेर्नुहोस् ल यो पनि अब हाल्छु नि म ल हस् धन्यवाद ल मिठो खाना ओके we are done बढ़िया खाना खाया the khana was also very good like breakfast
Market is saying
what did I have no I'm not buying all that हजुर
Let's take
के
this
खाने अच्छा सिलाई not here only
हजुर
के खाने हो छिटो
त्यो नानीहरुको चकलेट
धन्यवाद फेरि आउँछु छिटो थ्याङ्क यू दिदी बाई बाई ल नेक्स्ट टाइम फेरि आउँछु
हुन्छ हुन्छ
ल हस् दिदीले मिठाई पनि दिनुभयो नानीलाई या यता आइम सिटिङ इन फ्रन्ट आंटी गिव दिस एज अ गिफ्ट
Thank you.
ओके गाइस तो पहुंच चुके हम फिर से हिमाल ट्री यहाँ अब हमारा फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट हो गया ये सो मैं पापा के साथ तो आई थी खेजू के साथ भी आई आज ईशिला और शिबिन को भी लेके आई हूँ है ना ये ऑल आर हियर और गाइस से हाय हेलो We all are playing Jenga. यहाँ आप like different games भी खेल के आराम से बैठ सकते हैं गर्म हो गया बहुत It's about to be 7 So आज डिनर यही करेंगे है ना क्योंकि कल काम है थोड़ा मेरा किचन लॉक को वही स्पेक्स वगैरह बनाने ले जाना है
और मेरा साइकिल भी बनाना है
हाँ So चलो देखते हैं क्या खाते हैं अनि मैले फ्यान अन गरिदिनुहुन्छ एसी हो के जेसुकै पनि गरम भयो playing games playing Ludo what you guys playing
Wait, look what we made.
पापालाई त गरमै लागेको छैन चाहिँ भगवान् playing Ludo
What's the next? I'll start. We need 6, right?
okay
Look, boo.
मजा आयो त नि त
Hindi, sige na.
Push it up.
के हुन्छ के हुन्छ
Mari, mati na. No, I'm so bored. See,
Each go, you did not have it anymore. Papa is turning it.
ला
Papa is turning it into a tap.
all wrong सबै wrong भयो okay
You want to make? Mama and he said then next Tetsu and Papa.
so mama look.
Let Mama win. Ane?
bubble tea has come
Which one is
Oh, this is
this is yours and Yeshila's classic
this is my.
Thai tea this is blueberry
so nice. I saw.
how is it that's it Here's the shimmer now.
Not I that. It's kind of creamy though, right? Milk. It's kind of that.
Guys,
This is actually the original bubble
Hey,
tea,
sure.
the one you are having.
so Shabu, my taste is not that good.
I mean, the bubble tastes so good. Oh.
Popping bubble dish. We're acting now, no?
I don't know what
Chumbu to.
Shumudo, eh?
Bubble.
Chumbu to nga say bubble. Just chichu da, mama. Korean fried chicken.
Curry, nahi.
And the tteokbokki has
Damn it.
come. Tteokbokki with fish
This
cake.
looks damn good. Oh.
Lala, enjoy, guys, enjoy.
I want some rice with
Maybe pakra hai.
Do we have
It's
plate?
also in
Mama, do we have a bowl or a plate? Give me this bowl.
No, ask. Ask Chida kaya man. Hindi. Oh. Let me try one Korean. Chicken crispy Korean chicken.
You have to use it, eh?
Mine.
It's damn good. Oh. I want to try it so badly.
Sanjay, the fish cake.
Another pickle.
Where is fish cake?
Thank you.
Yeah, fish cake. They clear. They go.
Kina, sorry, less. Okay. Sorry, no?
Kind of eggs also. Oh my god.
Korea has this.
What has the world happened? What has the world done?
Papa sada, papa kayo naman. Kimbap saan? Da. Totoo na yan. Nice.
Yeah.
Shipo? Good. शिपिन ने तो बढ़िया से लेता है तो चॉपस्टिक से लो तो
Amaho, I just started to.
हाँ ऐसे
Having more.
दे ट्रू एशियन रहता को इसलिए अभी भी फोक से खा रहे देखो तो इसलिए ट्राई नो विद दिस वंस या I want to see how you tried. Yeah, man.
We taught me.
Yeah, he was, but he doesn't want. He does it. No, he doesn't use it. If when you're eating Korean, you should eat like a Korean, okay?
But try it.
Hey, you want to try? कितने में try करेगा आप? Ciao, रे.
Ciao.
Ciao. Hey, Dix, rang.
I did that at a good time.
Okay, now done.
Oh, you made my hands burn. Okay, too.
Okay. Machi थोड़ा को दो.
Let me get through it. Give me that sausage. Give me that. No, you shouldn't. That's mine. That's mine, boy.
The food was excellent. मजा आ गया. लेकिन पूरा तो कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाए हम लोग. थोड़ा सा है इधर. तो पोकी थोड़ा सा है. ज़्यादातर राइस है. He's a lefty, by the way, huh? This guy is a lefty. Huh. Okay, so done. मेरा भी हो गया. 2 चिकन रह गया. बस. Yet another good experience at Himal Tree. Such a beautiful name. See, it's written here. Himal Tree.
It's a tree in the middle of a
Himalaya. Okay guys, so I guess आज का vlog इतना ही. So I'll see you very soon in my next vlog and I hope आप लोगों ने ये vlog enjoy किया होगा. तक के लिए see you. Bye bye. Oh, now finally the honey cake.
It's hard.
Side you're the dunzo kima ko tup shinu. Take one piece. No. You should just take one piece and then you dip it and eat. Yeah. Yeah. Dip it in the cream and eat it.
There's
Dip
no
on the
pieces.
Yeah.
Wait, so from inside oh.
Yeah. Sugar. Baba. Honey cream. Bubble to the wood. Yummy. I'm done.